Welcome back, children, to EVS lesson number 7. I love Gujarat. Children, in my last video, we learnt about Port of Kandla and Run of Kutch. We saw that the flamingo met Chinkara and Chinkara introduced flamingo to desert of Kutch. Children, do you know who is a Chinkara? Yes, Chinkara is found in South Asia. It prefers to live in grasslands and desert areas. Now, children, take out page number 52. We have seen that flamingo said bye bye to Chinkara and moved forward to see more of Gujarat. Children, take out page number 52. Which other birds come to your village from other places? Children, birds like duck, vulture, eagle, crane, etc. are some birds which come from other places to your village. Why do birds from foreign countries migrate to our state? Children, these birds which travel from foreign countries to our country are known as migratory birds, and these birds come to our country in search of their favorable conditions to survive, because there it is severe cold and they want warmth to survive. Children, on page number 52 you can see that flamingo has reached to Pirotan Island of Jamnagar district located in Bay of Kutch. Pirotan Island is a small island and spread around 3 square kilometers area. It is full of greenery in the lap of nature. This island has decent mangroves cover and good marine life. This island is part of Jamnagar Marine National Park. Lots of crowd come here especially on weekend. To visit this place, prior permission is required. Children, here the flamingo meets a dolphin and says, "Yes, dolphin, we are birds from cold region, but during winter we come to Gujarat. Abdasa of Kutch means large town of flamingo. This time we thought of visiting Gujarat, hence we came here." Then the dolphin says, "Come with me and see, here are the coral reef. There are starfish, jellyfish and dolphin fish like me. Even sea cucumber, tortoise, octopus are also here." Children, here the dolphin introduces flamingo with marine life. Children, let's see some questions here. Which aquatic animals around you are seen throughout the year? Children, frogs, turtles, small fishes, cranes, etc. can be seen here throughout the year. Which animals are seen during monsoon? The animals seen during monsoon are frogs, turtles, earthworms, fishes, cranes, ducks, water snakes, waterfowls, etc. And where do frogs go after monsoon? The frogs go under the ground after monsoon and live there until the next monsoon. What will you do to protect the animals living in water? Children, these water animals are also harmed these days. How will you protect them? We will not disturb the animals in water and will save them. We will not let the domestic animals bathe in water. We will feed the living animals in water with proper food. We will keep check that nobody catches or kills fish or other aquatic animals. We will see that no one throws garbage in water, which is also harmful to the water animals. Children, do you know dolphin is the national aquatic animal of our country and these should be preserved. Now children, the flamingo says bye to dolphin and moves forward. Children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, Stay connected. Bye bye.